How to add Touch and Go card to Apple Wallet. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to add a Touch and Go card to Apple Wallet. First, you have to go to the App Store and search Apple Wallet. Download and open the Wallet app on your mobile phone. You will find different passes, cash, and ticket options on the screen. You have to log into your account first or create a new one by adding your credentials. Tap on the plus icon at the upper right corner of the screen. You can use any of the options provided in the Add to Your Wallet section. Search for the option Debit or Credit Card and tap it. To add information about the Touch and Go card, tap on Continue. You can add the card name and card number given here. After adding information, you can use your Touch and Go card in Apple Wallet. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.